Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem. Plug your earphones into a known working device and set system volume to about 50%. Once done, inspect the plug and inline remote for debris or damage. Clean gently with a dry cloth, then a cotton swab dipped in 70% isopropyl if needed. Make sure the connector is fully seated and try both ears. If the inline remote feels loose, proceed carefully to the next step to test wiring and contact points. Now you isolate the fault. Swap adapters and plug into another device to rule out phone or computer issues. While audio plays, gently wiggle the jack and inline remote. Listen for volume changes or cutouts to pinpoint broken wires or poor contact. If the inline remote is removable and you're comfortable, open it carefully to inspect solder joints and the tiny switches. Cold solder or a frayed cable often causes low volume. Make necessary reconnections, then retest to confirm improvement. Finish by repairing the identified fault. Strip a millimeter of insulation, resolder broken wires, and reinforce with heat shrink tubing or strong tape. If the plug is damaged, replace it with a quality TRS or TRRS connector. Once repaired, test across apps and another device and reset audio settings to ensure volume returns to normal. If you still have low volume or intermittent sound, try a replacement cable or seek professional repair. One key tip: always verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.